Hey everybody, I want to show you my new Braun MultiServe coffee maker. So the point of this coffee machine is it's really the only one we're ever going to need because it does everything from single serve cups to over ice to travel mugs to multi-serve, either a half pot or a full pot of coffee. And you can use whatever coffee you want. It is not pod based, so you can choose your coffee and then of course choose your grind and make everything from single serve to multi-serve. So let's take a quick walk through the machine. One thing Braun does nicely is they allow you to choose your brew. This is how we will decide what size we're doing, whether it's single, travel, or pot. I can also choose my strength. Now here we have our water canister. I love the fact that it's got a handle to help me take it over to the sink, easy to fill. And then it's also graduated so that you can see exactly how much water you have so you know how much coffee you'll be able to make. Kind of takes out the guessing game there with the water. Coffee grounds go in here. Two different filter options. You can use the gold filter that's provided, or you can add a paper filter as well. And again, it's a pod-free system, so I'm always choosing whatever kind of coffee I want. When brewing my coffee, I can also stop it in the middle of the brew. Let's say I was brewing a full pot of coffee, but I just couldn't wait for it to be done. So I would hit drip stop, pour myself a cup, and then go right back to brewing. If I'm brewing a single serve, I can flip down the cup holder and it gets it a little bit more elevated to eliminate splashing. But I think for now, let's go ahead and brew a travel cup. I do like the fact that it'll work with my big, tall travel cups. So I choose my cup. I go over and adjust the setting to the right size of travel mug. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose my type of brew. Now, I can brew over ice, and on the bold setting, it compensates for the fact that there's obviously going to be some ice melt from the hot coffee. So that means my iced coffees don't get watered down. I love an over ice setting. But for today's travel mug, we're just going to go bold. We've got it set at 16 ounces and it's going to be ready to go. Now, there's a lot of really intuitive features of this machine that I like. One of them being when I'm brewing in a travel mug and I have my travel setting there, it automatically turns off the heating plate so that I'm not going to heat up and or ruin any of my travel mugs. If I was brewing into a carafe, it would know that having a heated plate is a good thing and it'll keep my coffee warm for as long as I need it. So this is Braun's new multi-serve coffee machine. Whether you're doing a single serve, over ice, and all the way up to a full pot of coffee, this one machine is going to do it all, and it looks great in that stainless steel as it does it.